So it's not just about learning the pentatonic skill or any other skill. It's about how you apply it. There are a lot of people that when you hear them playing skills, they just play it like an exercise. For example, the pentatonic skill. When you hear a lot of people playing the pentatonic skill, the beginners especially, it sounds something like this. I mean, when they are jamming over a song, this is exactly how they sound like. While this is not totally bad, this is not impressive at all. So in this video, I'm going to show you something that will level up your game and make you sound interesting to listen to. So if you want to be like this, ensure you stay to the end of this video. And if it's your first time here and you like what you're seeing, hit that subscribe button. All right, let's get into it. One of the reasons why I feel a lot of people are stuck is because they look at the pentatonic skill like a whole and a big box and some kind of complicated formula that you need to apply. So in order for us to make it easy, how about we break the pentatonic skill into little bits? So for example, this is what the pentatonic scale looks like, right? Da, 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 da. So how about we break it into different boxes, something like this. This is one box. This is another box. This is another box. This is another box. Does that make sense? And that's another box. It means we have a lot of boxes. We have box 1, box 2, box 3, box 4, and then box 5. It means we have 5 boxes. Now what this is going to do for us is to open up different possibilities for us. What it means is that we have a lot of options to work with. It means we have 5 different boxes to work with. Now these 5 boxes exist across the fretboard, but for the sake of this tutorial, we're just going to maintain this position up and down, right? So I'm going to show you how you can use any of these boxes when soloing. Just pick any of these boxes and apply it into your improvisation, and you're going to see how it changes your game entirely. Let me show you an example of this. So imagine I'm playing something like So what I'm going to do is to pick a particular box. I'm jamming all by myself. So I'll play a chord, jam a box, play a chord. So something like this. Did you hear that? I guess that sounds interesting. So let me ask you a question. Which of these boxes is easy for you to play on the guitar? Let me hear it in the comment section. All right. The next thing I'm going to show you is going to take your game to another level when using the pentatonic. You must have heard other guitarists playing this thing. Something like this. This is called patterns, and it's simply grouping a number of notes and playing them sequentially to form whatever you want to listen to. So there are 3 note patterns, there are 4 note patterns, there are 5 note patterns. So depending on whatever works for you, just try and experiment this pattern. But for the sake of this tutorial, how about we try the 3 note pattern? So what this means is that let's try playing my pentatonic scale from down up. So I'm going to play 3 notes for every note, then play 3 notes for another one. So it will sound something like this. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You can stop here for the sake of this lesson, right? Now, if you get the point, what I'm doing is that my pentatonic scale is da 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 da, right? So I'll pick a note. So I'll descend the scale. So I'll play da da da. Then I'll pick the note that was after the first one. Then I play 3 notes again. Da da da. Then I'll play the next note after this one and play 3 notes. The same thing. Then another one. So what this does for you is to open you up to melodic possibilities so that it doesn't just sound like a regular exercise. So all you can do, did you hear that? So that is for the 3-note pattern. You can also create your own 4-note pattern. Now, what is the 4-note pattern? You guessed right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. If you can intentionally practice your pentatonic scale like this, I assure you that you're going to sound 10 times better. You're going to sound more expressive than you are right now. So if you want your scales and your licks and your soloing to sound better and more interesting, and you want people to listen to what you're playing, I have created a video that teaches some dangerous techniques that will help you do that. So ensure you watch that video after this one. But before then, if you have not subscribed to the channel and you like what you're seeing, ensure you click and hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications so you stay posted. Alright, let's hit the video and dive right in.